this video, we are going to talk about the basics of Google Slides. So we are going to talk about what Google Slides is, how to create a new presentation, which includes naming the presentation, choosing a theme, adding and editing contents, customizing your slides, and creating and arranging slides. We are also going to talk about collaboration, presenting, printing and downloading, and I'm going to give you some tips. Google Slides is very similar to PowerPoint presentation. It is a web-based tool used to create presentation slides. You can build presentations right in your web browser. So you don't need special software and multiple people can work on slides at the same time. You can also see people's changes as they make them. And every change is automatically saved. Now to access Google Slides, go to Google page, click this figure and look for slides. You can see here your recent presentations if you have, and you can also create a new presentation using different templates. Now let's create a blank presentation. If you are new to Google Slides, you can see this. Now first, let's name our presentation. So it says here, Untitled Presentation. So rename it. As you can see, it automatically saved. You can also click File, then Rename. Next, we can choose a theme. Okay, when you first create a presentation, the Themes pane will appear on the right side of the screen. Click a theme to give all your slides the same background and the text styles for a consistent look and feel. Then click the X on the upper right of the theme pane to close it. Now, if you want to change it again, just click this one. By doing so, the theme pane will show again. Now let's go to adding and editing contents. To add text, click the text placeholder areas on each side to start typing in your text. You can also create your own text areas by holding a text box. To do that, click Insert, click Text Box. Then you may change the color, like this. So remember, you can move, delete, or resize text boxes. Now, if you click Insert, you will see different options. So you can put an image, upload from computer if you want to put an image from your computer, or search the web. You can also link your Google Drive, photos, or insert image using URL, or insert an image using your camera. That's also fine. Again, inserted items can be moved, deleted, and resized. You can also include video, audio, shape, table, charts, diagrams, word arts, and lines. Now you can customize your slides. You can use the tools and menu options along the top to format and customize the presentations. This tool will allow you to create a new slide. If you click this plus symbol, it will automatically create a slide. But if you choose this arrow down, you can create a slide with the layout. This one is the undo. This one is the redo. This paint format copies formatting from one section of the text and apply it to another section. This magnifying glass is for zoom in. You can also zoom out. This arrow allows you to select an item on your slide. These four allows you to do the same thing that you did here. This one will create a text box. This one will allow you to insert an image. This one is for the shapes. This one is for the line. Now, if you click a text placeholder, you can also change its color. Now, this one is for the outline or for the border. You can also change the border weight. If you click layout, you will see the different layouts of this theme. Then this one is for the transition. You may add transitions between your slides. Now going back to the text, you can change the font size, font style. You can also make the letters bold, italic, or underlined. You can also highlight them. This one allows you to insert link for selected text. For example, this one. Copy the URL, then go back to your slide. Highlight the word, click Insert Link, then paste the URL here. Click Apply. Okay, so that when you click this one, the definition of text will show. Let's try. Okay, so the rest are just formatting options. You can align it, center, left, right, justified. You can also adjust the spacing. You can put bullets, you can put numbers and indentation and clear formatting. Now let's go to creating and arranging slides. There are several ways to create a slide. The easiest is to click the plus button. Then again, you can choose the layout that you like. You can also move the slides by dragging them. Now I can also duplicate the slide. What you have to do is to right click it, then press duplicate slide. To delete the slide, just right click and delete. Or you can also undo and redo. Now let's go to collaborating. To allow other people to collaborate or edit your work, just click share. Okay. Then you can add people here. For example, your workmate. You can also change the role of your workmate. He can be a viewer, commenter, or an editor. Then you can notify or not notify the person. You can also write a message. Note that the notifications will be sent to their emails. You will see here person added. When a collaborator makes an edit to the presentation, other collaborators can see their name connected to a little color-coded icon. Okay, so just to show you, I am going to open another browser. This is how it looks like when two people are working on the same file. So you can see the icon here, the other person. When a person edits something, you can see the file or the words that he is working on. Then you will see his name. For example, like this. If you notice, there is a slight delay, but it doesn't really affect the collaboration. Then you can also see in what slide your collaborator is. For example, my collaborator is in slide 1. Now your collaborator can also send a message in the same file. So it will show here. Click it, then you can answer. Then you can also write a comment. Select the text, then click this one, add comment. Now you can see the comment he made. You can also see it here in the comment history button. Now you can try to resolve the problem or reply to the comment. Once you are done resolving the comment, you may now click check to hide the comment. When you're ready to present your slides, click the present button at the top of the page. It will be like this. You can also click this down arrow to see more options. To see your speaker notes, choose presenter view. Okay. Now you just have to adjust your window. Then using your video conferencing tool, you can just share your slide and not the presenter view. Now let's go to printing and downloading. Click the file, choose print. Then a tab will show. Then it's ready for printing. Or just click this print icon. Now you can also download it to different formats. To download your presentation so it can be opened by other programs, click File and choose Download As. So you can download it as a Microsoft PowerPoint, ODP, PDF, plain text, JPEG, PNG, and scalable vector graphics. Now to make a copy, you have to click File, and choose Make a Copy. You can either copy the entire presentation or just the selected slides. You can also rename the copy. Just go to where it is saved, then click Rename. If you need to collaborate with someone on your presentation in a different program or format, such as PowerPoint or PDF, you can email it as an attachment. However, this sends a copy of the presentation instead of sharing the original. It's not the same as sharing this. Okay, so to email it as an attachment, click File, search Email this file. Then you can write your email address here, subject, then a message. You can also select the format, then click Send. Now I'm going to share some tips. It will be really useful, especially if you're going to make an interactive slide. I have a different video about interactive slides and interactive games. So if you want, you may check them out. Okay, the first one is the master slide. To edit master slides, click Slide in the toolbar and click Edit Theme. You can modify the template layouts for your slides, from the title slide to those that show bullet point lists. By editing the master slide, you will be able to change your layouts so that it will not consume too much time editing them. Okay. Now, if you want to embed presentations online, you just have to click File, choose Publish to Web. Click the Embed option, click Publish. Okay, then you have to select OK. So what you have to do is to copy this embedded code. This embedded code is the one you copy to your LMS. Okay, that's it for the basics of Google Slides. If you want more advanced tips, please subscribe and like this video.
Thank you!